So game mga lods, ito yung ating bagong laro, si Hitman Blood Money Reprisal. Iyon game, January 9, 2004. Okay, so ito yung ating character guys. Si Hitman, no? Find a way onto the pier. Okay. So, smooth naman guys yung ating gameplay, no? So, graphics, goods na rin para sa mobile game. So, ayan guys, nakakuha tayo ng lubid. So, baka ito yung ating, panakal. Find a way onto the pier. Okay. Akit tayo guys.
Welcome to the States, 47.
Walk to the
This
main
should be a
gate.
straightforward operation. We need you to penetrate an
Yung
abandoned
galaw lang niya, no,
park,
parang hindi
locate
ganun
the
ka
owner, and take
ka-realistic.
him out. The target is a Joseph
Tapos
Clarence,
yung link pala nito
also
guys,
known
kung gusto
as
nyo itong
Swing
ma-download, meron po tayong
King.
link
An
sa may
accident
Facebook.
involving one of the riders
Check nyo na lang guys sa
years
ating
back forced him to
Facebook
close it
page.
down. Our
Okay.
client has made a special
Wait
request
for the guard. Nasa
that
ba yung
the
guard?
photograph you have in your possession be the last thing the target sees. Mr. Clarence has somehow become involved with a narcotics distribution ring, so the park may still
Okay,
have
check
some
natin guys sa kabila. Baka nandun yung
Enjoy the
guard.
ride, 47.
Okay, wala rin. Oh, ayun pala. Nasa gate.
What the fuck you looking at, Kraken?
I'm here to see Joseph Clarence.
Never heard of him.
Mr. Swing King?
Oh, that sorry ass dickhead. What the fuck they call you?
Names of our friends, so I don't need one.
Okay, so tulog na yung guard guys. So nakapasok na po tayo. Check the photo in the inventory. Okay, so check natin guys yung ating inventory. And guys, yung natin una nating gamit, no? Okay, so yun lang pala. Nasa gilid, gift shop. Enter the gift shop. Okay. Distract the guards. Okay, labas na tayo. Ayun na yung mga guard. Pero baka pwede naman tayong pumalag sa mga guard. Okay guys, yun yung mga guard. Papalagan na natin. Ayun, meron pala tayong guys. Meron pala tayong barrel. Kaso yung yung pagputok ng barrel, no? Parang sa GTA yung itsura. Okay, dito tayo guys. Enter the theater. Nasa ba yung pinto rito? Ito pala, sa kabilang side pala. Yan. Tap to open the door. Pasok tayo guys sa theater. Okay. Dahan tayo guys. Dahan-dahan lang. Slowly but surely. Ayan. Kill the gangster. So dito baka pwede natin magamit yung yung pang-choke natin na lubid. Ayan, paano kaya gamitin? Okay, yun pala. Pick up the gangster's gun. Okay. Meron tayong handgun dito guys. Drug body. Okay, so kailangan natin guys itago yung pinaka katawan para walang ebidensya.
Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me! Help! Help me!
Use instinct mode to find a way up. Okay, dito tayo guys sa side. Yan, dito pwede tayo siguro umakyat. Yan. Jump to the balcony. Okay, talon tayo. Okay, clear the room next door. Okay, so ito na guys. Meron tayong battery dito. Ay no, yung ano lang niya, yung pagtutok ng barrel parang sa GTA. Medyo matigas eh. Dispose the gangsters, okay. Mahina si ano rito guys. Mahina yung agent natin, di kaya buhatin yung bangkay. Okay, hanap tayo ng ano, pwedeng paglagay ng mga katawan ng mga gangster. Okay, doon siguro. Yan, line natin. Tapos pasok natin yung katawan sa loob. Ayan, okay na yung isa. So isa na lang. Ayan yung isa. Ay, hindi yata pwede magkasama. Dito siguro sa may ano, cabinet, baka pwede siya rito. Hindi rin. Ah, itong isa. Check natin. Okay. Diyan ka muna, tropa. Hide in the closet. Okay, tago tayo. Baka may darating. Oh, meron nga.
Fuck happened here?
Take out the chemist. Okay, labas tayo. Guard suspicious. So, okay, narinig siguro yung putok ng baril natin, guys. Take the key card and clothes. Okay, ulit tayong damit. Bilis. Okay, so ano tayo ngayon guys? Chemist na tayo ngayon. Open the door using the key card. Continue along the walkway. Okay, so huwag tayong papahalata guys. Enter the control room. Okay, so deliver tayo ng ano guys, ng barbecue ba yun? So parang naghihinala yung mga gangster sa atin guys. Parang kamukha natin si ano eh, si Johnny Sins eh. Kalbo kasi yung ating agent dito.
No, just a few more days. You gotta believe me. Don't say that, sunshine. Mr. Spook's gonna come through,
okay, so
baby.
mukhang ano to guys, mukhang ano to, mukhang drug lord.
Sign the papers, I won't. You gotta give me one more chance. You gotta. Baby cakes? Sunshine? Hello?
Put down the green crate. Okay, so ayan yung mga gangster guys. Mukhang nahuli na tayo. Ayun pa. Medyo mahirap magtutok ng ano ng baril Get on top of the elevator, okay. Kailangan ba to? Ba't kinuha pa to? Fiber wire the guard below. Ngayon lang. Enter then exit the elevator. Disable the power box. Sneak through the factory. Okay, so na-off na natin guys yung kuryente. So ano na tayo dito? Baka di na tayo makita. Enter the toilet. Tap to open the okay. Enter the toilet. Saan ba yung toilet dito? Use the gangster as a human shield. Okay.
I got to take the rest of your money. Too much motherfucking beer.
Ngayon lang nakita tayo. So ayun guys, kung gusto niyo malaro to, no, punta lang po kayo sa aking page sa ating page Nerbits TV. Ano po yung link kasi hindi pa nilagay dito guys sa YouTube. So ayun, view nyo na lang guys yung link sa ating page Nerbits TV, or ano, sendan nyo ako ng message sa Facebook Nerbits TV. Ayun lang, inabot tayo guys. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe na rin kayo dito guys. Salamat.